In today's video, I will teach you how to generate an AI image using Adobe Firefly. Let's get started. Adobe Firefly is Adobe's AI-powered creative tool that allows you to generate images from text prompts. Whether you want realistic photos, artistic styles, or conceptual visuals, Firefly makes it easy even for complete beginners. So go to firefly.adobe.com in your browser. Then log in with your Adobe ID. If you don't have one, you can click Sign Up to create a free account. On the home page, you'll see a text prompt box front and center. On the left side of the prompt box, click the drop-down menu and make sure Image is selected. This tells Firefly that you want to generate an image from your text prompt. In the prompt box, type in what you want to see, and be as descriptive as possible. The more specific and vivid your prompt, the better the result. Then click Generate when ready, and Firefly will take you to the text-to-image workspace, where the image will appear in a few seconds. Once inside the workspace, look to the left sidebar to fine-tune your image. Under the General Settings, you can change the AI model, and make sure to select the latest model for best results. You can also change the aspect ratio and the content type. Under the aspect ratio, you can choose the shape of your image. For example, 1x1 square, 4x5 portrait, or 16x9 landscape. And under the content type, you can choose from Auto, where Firefly chooses for you, Photo for realistic results, and Art for painted, drawn, or stylized looks. And you can also adjust the visual intensity. This controls how bold or stylized the image is, so keep it in the middle for balanced results, because too high might distort realism. An optional step is adding a composition and style reference. Under the composition reference, you can upload a photo or select from Firefly's gallery to guide the layout and structure. And under the style reference, you can add an image to influence color, texture, or mood. These tools help Firefly mirror a visual theme or layout from another image. And under the effect settings, you can add filters to customize lighting, camera angles, or color mood. So simply click on any tag to add it to your prompt settings, and you'll see a preview of all the selected options added to your prompt below the text box. And once everything is set, click Generate again to refresh the results with your selected options. And Firefly will generate 4 new image variations per batch based on your updated prompt and settings. And once you've found an image that you like, you can hover over the image and click the download icon to save it individually. Or click Download All in the top right to save all 4 images in the batch. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.